When I'm feeling anxious, I do this breath work, and in less than 5 minutes, I feel more relaxed and focused. In stressful and anxious times, this breathing technique has helped me. It is called box breathing and is used by Navy SEALs and nurses. Essentially, it is visualizing a box and breathing in 4 counts, holding 4, breathing out 4, and holding another 4. Then repeating a few times, about 7 to 10 times, or until you feel a bit better. Let's get started. Sit in a comfortable position, grounded as closely to the floor. It's okay if only your feet is touching the floor. Exhale out fully and slowly begin your inhale, imagining a box and drawing your breath up, starting at the bottom left corner of the square up to the top left corner. Then hold your breath for 4 seconds as you imagine the outline of the square moving from left to right to the top right corner of your square. Exhale all the way out for a count of 4 and hold for 4, imagining the bottom of the square to now the left bottom corner of the square. Repeat